Okay, so here we have a situation where we have two people. Often they're described as being friends or brother, sister, or things of that nature, and one has a number of something. In this case, it's toys, and often it's things like cards or marbles or lollies, and the other person will have either more or less or a multiple of those toys, lollies, marbles compared to the other. And often they'll give you a total, and then you've got to use that information in order to work this out. So the thing to keep in mind here, I suppose, is often you've got to create the pronumeral. So in this case, it's toys. So you might use T. Alternately, you might make so T equals toys, and use that as the pronumeral. You could use X or Y or anything else. It's often useful to use one that's matched to the item. And just keep in mind that the total here is going to be 12. Okay, so here we have Alex has 4 more toys than Raj. Okay, so what we know is that Raj has a number of toys. Let's call that toys owned by Raj. Okay, so now we can look at it and go, well, if it's T and then plus Alex has 4 more, so he has T plus 4. So we have Raj's number of toys plus Raj's number of toys plus 4, and that all equals 12. Okay, now that's not simplified, so you need to simplify that statement to be 2T plus 4 equals 12. Okay, and here we're trying to find out how many toys do they each have. Okay, so we can just use our strategy here of simplifying. Okay, and take away 4 leaves us with 2T. Take away 4, and that equals 8. So therefore, divide by 2 and divide by 2 to get rid of the 2, and we have T equals 4. So now we can go back to our statement, and we know that Raj has 4 toys, and we know that Alex must have 4 toys plus the 4, which is 8 toys. Okay, and then we need to make sure we check. Okay, so that adds up to 12 toys in total, which is what the question told us. Okay, so a few checking devices there. The other thing too is to keep in mind that once you end up with an answer like T equals 4, you can substitute that back into the equation, so that becomes 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 12. So you can check it that way as well.